elimination of arbitrary constants. By elimination of arbitrary constants, by arbitrary constants here we mean those essential, those essential arbitrary constants only. So we mean determination of differential equation from the general solution. Okay, guys? Okay, and this differential equation must be free from arbitrary constants. That's why elimination of arbitrary. So after getting the differential equation corresponding to the general solution, be sure it is free from arbitrary constants already. Okay, guys? Again, this is to remind you that when we say arbitrary constants here, we mean those that are essentials only. Now, what are the steps in finding differential equation from the general solution? So meaning eliminating arbitrary constants. What are the steps? Arbitrary constants. By eliminating arbitrary constants here, legitimate operations, you can erase the arbitrary constants. By erasures of arbitrary constants, not allowed, of course, okay? So using legitimate mathematical operations. So number one, the first step, you're going to differentiate the given general solution a number of times equal to the order of the differential equation. Sorry, differentiate the given general solution a number of times equal to the number of arbitrary constants. Equal to the number of arbitrary constants. Okay, guys? Number 2, if after applying step number 1, there are still arbitrary constants intact or present, or present, you're going to solve the given general solution and the derived ones, the first derivative, the second derivative, depending on the number of arbitrary constants that you have, simultaneously. So meaning you're going to make the general solution and a number of derivatives simultaneously, a system of equations, no? Okay, you're going to solve the given general solution, the derived one, simultaneously. So general solution and the derivatives, you're going to treat them as a system of equations, okay? In the arbitrary constants, let's say C1, C2, C3, and so on. So, until the desired differential equation is obtained. Okay, guys? So these are the two steps in eliminating arbitrary constants. That is, finding the differential equation from the general solution, free from what? That differential equation, free from arbitrary constants. Oh, still alive, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so let us have the following examples. Eliminate the arbitrary constants of each of the following. General solutions. Okay. Number 1. Let's say I have x squared plus y squared minus 2xy equals, let's say, c. So, what is the arbitrary constant here, guys?
Yung C po.
C, no? How many arbitrary constants do we have?
1 lang po.
1. So it means how many times are we going to differentiate this?
1 time only, sir.
So differentiate once because there is only one arbitrary constant. Okay, guys? So differentiating, we have what, guys? What's the derivative of the left side? We differentiate implicitly. What's the derivative of the first term on the left side? 2x. Am I right? Then plus 2y, y prime, because y is considered here the dependent variable. Minus, this is product. The first derivative of the second plus the second derivative of the first. So we get what? 2y, right? What is the derivative of x? 1 times negative 2y. Am I correct, guys? Guys?
Yes po, sir.
So what is the derivative of this c, which is considered constant?
0 po.
0. Okay? Actually, this is already the answer because this has no more arbitrary constants. Am I correct, guys? So all you have to do is to put that in a better form. Okay? So we can express this such that all those y prime collected, no, factored out, okay, from the terms with what? With y prime. So collect those without y prime. So, and then those with y prime. And then factor out y prime from those with y prime, no? So minus 2x. By the way, we can still simplify this. No? Divide by what, guys? We can divide by 2, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So x plus y prime minus xy prime and then minus 2, no? Ay, minus y, sorry. Is equal to 0. Okay? So we now collect those terms with y prime and then factoring out y prime. Getting y minus x, y prime, so separately from those without. So we have x minus y equal to 0. This is the differential equation, meaning we have eliminated the arbitrary constants. Okay, guys? So this is the answer. If you have first order differential equation, you can express this in differential form. So we call this derivative form. So alternatively, you can have it x minus y differential of x. Remember what is y prime, guys? dy over dx. Am I correct? Multiply by dx each side, we have x minus y dx plus y minus x dy is equal to 0. Okay, guys? This is the dE in differential form. In LB. So we have, okay now, guys? Guys, okay. So let us have number 2. Again, if you have a a general solution containing one arbitrary constant, because you are going to differentiate it once only, your answer can be expressed in derivative form or differential form. But if you have 2 or more arbitrary constants to be eliminated, you can express your answer just in derivative form. Clear, guys? So let us have another one. Let's say I have sine of x plus e to the xy is equal to, let's say, y plus c. No? Again, how many arbitrary constants do we have here, children?
1 lang po, sir.
1. So we're going to differentiate these once only. Okay? So differentiate implicitly. Differentiating the left side, or what is the derivative of the first term? Guys?
Cosine x po.
Cosine x. What about the second term? It is exponential. But notice the exponent is what? Is product, no? Of x and y. So e to the xy we copy, then multiplied by the derivative of xy, which is product. The first derivative of the second plus the second derivative of x is 1, right, guys? And that is equal to, what is the derivative of y? Y prime. Plus what? Plus 0. Okay? So this is already 0, the derivative of c. So let's now collect those with y prime. So actually that is already the answer, but normally we want our answer so that, in the form such that all the y prime terms with y prime collected together, no? So plus, so let's expand, e to the xy times x, y prime, plus e to the xy times y is equal to y prime. So those with y prime are the following, no? This term, and on the right side, this y prime. So we now get what? E to the xy, y prime, okay? So that's collecting everything on the right side, this y with y prime, no? So cosine x plus what? Plus y, e to the xy is equal to y prime minus x, e to the xy, y prime. Am I correct, guys? Factoring out y prime, we get 1 minus x, e to the xy, so multiplied by y prime, no? So, and that is equal to cosine x plus what? Plus y e to the xy. Okay? So that's it. This is the DE. If you want, you can collect everything on the left side or on the right side, equated to 0. Okay, guys? Or in differential form, you can write your answer as cosine x plus what? Plus y e to the xy multiplied by what? Here, dx. And then I will have 1 minus x e to the xy multiplied by dy. When collected on the left side, we have minus, or I can have plus, no? Still plus, but this is now positive and this is negative. So x e to the xy minus 1 multiplied by dy equal to 0. Okay? Or you can have it on the right side if you want. So this 1 minus x e to the xy multiplied by dy. Okay, guys? Children?
Sir, question lang po.
Yes.
Pag yung final answer for yung is yung may y prime, sir, okay lang po ba na yun yung final answer?
Which one?
Y prime.
This?
Yung di, sir, yung nasa baba po. Yung may
Okay,
arrow na T.
it's all right.
Okay po, sir.
This one? Kaya any of the two accepted. You can have the differential form or the derivative form. Because when we go to solving differential equations, normally expressed in differential, in a form which is differential form. Most of the techniques to be used in solving differential equations, making use of differential form rather than the derivative form. Okay? Let us have number 3. For number 3, we have, let's say I have 2x y plus 3 is equal to, let's say, cx y squared. What about this? So again, how many arbitrary constants do we have from here, guys?
1 po, sir.
1. So how many times are we going to differentiate?
1.
Isang beses lang po.
1 time, no? So there is another technique that we can apply here. Actually, we call this isolation of constant, arbitrary constant. So by isolation of arbitrary constant, so meaning, you solve for C in terms of what? In terms of other quantities, no? By isolation of constant. So we have what? We get, how to solve for C, guys? C is equal to what? 2xy plus 3 all over
xy squared po.
equals C. Why do you think it's easier to eliminate the arbitrary constant if we isolate it? So once we differentiate, automatic no more arbitrary constant because this will be 0. Instead of differentiating immediately the given. Am I correct, children?
Yes po.
So, what is the derivative of the left side? So this is quotient. Am I correct? So what is the derivative of quotient?
Yung ano sir, low D high.
The denominator or low, derivative of high, no? Derivative of the numerator. So anong derivative ng numerator? This is product. The first derivative of the second plus the second derivative of the first. Again, plus the second derivative of the first. What is the derivative of 2x? 2, no? Okay? What is the derivative of 3? 0. Minus high or numerator. 2xy plus 3. Derivative of the denominator. Again, product. The first. Derivative of the second. 2y prime. Plus the second. Derivative of the first. Oh, what is the derivative of x? 1, no? Oh, that's it. All over what, guys?
Low D high. Low squared sir, low squared.
The square of the denominator. Am I right? And the right side is 0. Okay? Is that clear, children? So if we multiply each side by x squared, y to the fourth, of course, we assume that this is not 0, no? This multiply it. We get in the numerator 2x squared. Check my multiplication, ha? Y squared, y prime, plus 2x, y cubed, no? Minus, this is what? 4 minus 4x, right? Y squared, y prime, am I right? Minus 2x, y cubed, right? What about this? Minus na because this is negative. Minus again, minus 3x times 2. That is 6, no? 6x then times y. Right? Then y prime. Okay, guys? And then minus 3y squared. And that is now equal to 0. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes po sir.
Let's collect those with y prime, okay? And then later we're going to factor out y prime. So these three terms contain y prime, no? So getting what? 2x squared, y squared, what else? Minus 4x, y squared, what else? Minus 6x, y, then multiplied by what? Y prime each, no? Yan. Then factor out, of course. So then those without y prime, we have 2x y cubed minus 2x y cubed. Can I combine these two, guys? Now, so now eliminated, right? Guys,
Yes sir, wala pong magkamukha.
am I correct?
Yes sir.
Guys, right now? So we now just have what? What is just left, guys?
Negative 3y squared po.
Negative 3y squared, no? And that is equal to 0. That's it. That's already the differential equation. Normally, we want it in everything in factored form, no? So like here, what is the factored form of this further? 2x is y common? Is still common, no? Guys, I think we can still divide by what? By y, right? We can still simplify this equation by dividing y by y. Am I correct, children? And then factoring out 2, we get 2x squared y. I divide by y, ha? Minus 2 because I factor out 2. 2x. And then what? Pwede pa rin natin i-factor yung x, no? Right? Am I right, guys? Simply xy minus 2y minus 3. No more y, no? And then I factored out already x. Y prime. So divide by y, 3y. So divide by y this quantity. Equal to 0. Okay? Oh, this is the answer. Okay, guys? Is this correct? This one? Actually, this is already correct, but not in simplest form, no? Especially in multiple choice, you are asked of simplest form. Is that clear, guys? Or alternatively, in differential form, we have multiply by negative. Then when you multiply this by negative, this is now positive. And then multiply by dx. Normally, we start with dx. And this is now what? Minus. Or is still positive, but you have to change the sign inside, no? So get 2x, and then 2y, then minus xy plus 3. 1dt dy equal to 0. Okay, in differential form. You can verify that this is just equivalent to this. Okay, guys? Did you get my algebra here? I multiply by what? By negative. So positive, negative, and positive, positive, negative. Okay, guys? Oh, that's it. Then this y prime is dy over dx. Multiply by dx, though there is now dx here, and here dy. Okay? Is that clear, children?
Yes po.
Okay, number 4. What about if we have two arbitrary constants? Let's say I have C1 plus C2x is equal to y. Okay? So y is equal to C1 plus C2x. Let's have C2x squared. Okay? How many arbitrary constants do we have, children?
Dalawa po.
2 this time, no? So it means we're going to differentiate how many times?
2 times din po.
2 times. So the original. Yan. Then getting the first derivative, 0. This is 2c2x. Now, getting the second derivative, we have 2c2. Am I correct, children? Do we still have arbitrary constant in the last? Guys?
Yes.
Yes. So it means we're not yet done. So we have to eliminate this still, no? So let's name this equation number 1. We're going to solve them simultaneously. Equation number 2. Equation number 3. Okay? Now, since equation number 2 and number 3 contain C2, better to work with equation 2 and 3 simultaneously. Okay, guys? So, I can replace this 2C2 by what? By y double prime. Okay? From equation 2 and 3, we apply substitution, no? Y prime is equal to what? What is 2C2, guys? Y double prime. Am I right? Times x. Okay? Do we still have arbitrary constant, children? No more. So that's it. All we have to do is to put that in a nice form, no? The better form actually is x y double prime minus y prime equals 0. Okay, children? Guys? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
That's it. This is the differential equation. So we can't express this anymore in differential form because this is now second order. Okay? We can only express in differential form if it is first order. Okay, guys? And the degree, of course, is 1. If the degree is 2, it's still hard, no? Yan. Is that okay now, guys? Children? Okay, so that's the answer, okay? Number 2, 5. So let's say we're given y is equal to c1 e to the 2x plus c sub 2 e to the negative 3x. What about these children? How many arbitrary constants do we have, guys?
Dalawa po.
There are 2 arbitrary constants. So it means we're going to differentiate 2 times. And in case the arbitrary constants are not eliminated after differentiating 2 times, we are going to consider the general solution and the derived ones simultaneously until we come up with the desired differential equation. What is y prime here? 2c sub 1 e to the 2x. Am I right? Differentiating this exponential function. Negative 3c sub 2 e to the negative 3x. What's the derivative of e to the negative 3x? E to the negative 3x. Derivative of negative 3x is negative 3 times c sub 2. Okay? Let's have second derivative. So that is 4 c sub 1 e to the 2x. Then plus, this is now 9, no? C sub 2 e to the, what guys? E to the negative 3x, right? Positive now, no? Negative 3, positive 9. So still, the arbitrary constants are present, no? So we're going to solve these 3 equations simultaneously. And then, have a wise decision which equations you're going to consider until we have eliminated the arbitrary constants by solving them simultaneously. Okay, guys? Let's eliminate first 1 and 2. C sub 1 and C sub 2. So, from 1 and 2, no? So, either C sub 1 or C sub 2. You have to decide later, no? Equation 1 and equation 2. What do you want to eliminate first, guys? Between 1 and 2. C sub 1 or C sub 2, guys?
C sub 1 na lang po.
C sub 1. If you want to eliminate C sub 1, you have to make the coefficient of this e to the 2x same with the coefficient of e to the 2x in number 2. Okay, guys? So how are you going to make this coefficient the same with this coefficient? Multiply equation 1 by 2, no? And then retain equation 2, then get the difference. So this is 2y equals 2c sub 1 e to the 2x minus, plus 2c sub 2 e to the negative 3x. What about the second equation? We just copy. What operation are we going to do, guys? Subtraction, no? Guys? Okay, so what is now the difference, children? What's the difference? So 2y minus y prime. On the left side, What about on the right side? 0. This is positive 5. C sub 2 e to the what? E to the negative 3x, correct? So this is equation number 4. Now, we can eliminate C1 consistently. This time from equation numbers 2 and 3, no? Or 1 and 3 if you want. We haven't used 1 and 3 and tsaka 2 and 3, no? Let us have it from 2 and 3. Okay? 2 and 3. So we are eliminating C sub 1, right? So get the difference, then multiply equation 2 by 2. So that same coefficients here. Okay? So getting 2y prime equals 4 c sub 1 e to the 2x minus 6 c sub 2 e to the negative 3x. Then copy equation 3. Then after copying, get the difference to eliminate c sub 1. Okay? Get the difference also. What's the difference? 2y prime minus y double prime. This is 0. Getting negative 15 c sub 2 e to the negative 3x. Okay, children? Guys? Boys?
Yes po, sir.
So we call this equation number 5. So we can now eliminate c sub 2 from equation 4 and 5. From equation 4 and 5, guys. How to eliminate? Let me copy these two equations, because I'm going to move on the other slide. Okay? Let's put them here. Okay, so let's put it somewhere here. So these are our equations, no? Equation 5, equation 4. How to eliminate c sub 2 from this guys?
Well, sir, multiply po yung equation 4 sa 3.
Multiply equation 4 by 5, no? Or what? Get the ratio, no? Let's say 5 divided by what? Divided by 4. Okay, guys? Equation 5 divided by equation 4. So 2y prime minus y double prime over what? Over this. Am I correct, children? And what about the right side? Negative 15 c sub 2 e to the negative 3x over what? 5. Am I correct, guys? Because I divide. If I divide the left side by this, I have to divide the right side of 5 by the right side of 4 also. Okay? Oh. Is C1 now cancelled, guys? I mean C2? No more C2, no? And then, just what? Just cross informally. We cross, no? Multiply. Am I right, children? Or simplify first. Okay? So 2y prime minus y double prime all over 2y minus y prime. And this is equal to negative what, guys? Actually, this is also cancelled, no? It so happens. Okay, guys? Negative what, guys?
Negative 3 po.
Okay, so we cross multiply, no? Informally. Actually, we multiply by the LCD. Pag minultiply natin ng LCD, what will happen? Guys, this is negative 6, right? Positive 3y prime equals what, guys? 2y prime minus y double prime, no? Then collect everything on the left side. Y double prime, this is combined here, no? 3 minus 2y, 3y prime minus 2y prime. Y prime, no? Then minus 6y. Am I right, children? Do we still have arbitrary constants, guys? Do we still have arbitrary constants? No more. So that's it. That's the answer. Okay, children? Guys? Did you get that, guys?
Sir, paano po pag iba po yung ano, sir? Yung solution, pero same naman po yung answer.
Oh, of course, because in math, there's no permanent solution. There are many options. You can multiply this by 3, right? And then you add. Am I correct?
Po, sir.
You can multiply by 3, then add. Okay? Let's say I have c sub 1 x squared plus c sub 2 e to the 4x. What about this, guys? How many arbitrary children?
Dalawa po, sir.
2. So how many times are we going to differentiate?
Dalawa rin po.
2 times, no? First derivative. Wait a minute. It's lagging. Nagahang na. Okay, let's wait. I do not know if it's the internet or whatever. 2c sub 1x, am I right? Last, what about here? 4c sub 2 e to the 4x. Am I right, children? What about the second derivative? 2 c sub 1 plus 4 times 4, 16, no? C sub 2 e to the 4x. Okay? Now, notice that in this last derivative, there are still arbitrary constants. They did not disappear. Okay? So we are going to consider these three equations as a stem, no? Yeah. And then, try to think of the best or better combinations to eliminate what you want, no? What do you want to eliminate first, guys? I think better to eliminate C sub 2 this time. Okay, guys? So if you eliminate C sub 2 from equation 1 and 3, or 1 and 2, you can have from 1 and 2, what operation? Difference, no? But you have to multiply equation what? Equation 1 by 4, right? Guys? 4y equals 4 c sub 1 x squared plus 4 c sub 2 and then e to the 4x. Correct, guys? Children? Guys?
Yes,
po,
sir.
Okay. So what about I'm looking for my eyeglasses. I do not know where I put it. Okay. Then what about equation 2? We just copy, no? Y prime equals 2 c sub 1 x plus 4 c sub 2 e to the 4x. Okay? So by getting the difference, we have 4y minus y prime is equal to what? This is, when added, we have what, guys? Guys, 4 c sub 1 x squared plus 2 c sub 1 x. Am I correct? Or not? Minus, no? I'm not correct. Minus. Am I right now here? And this is 0. Okay now, children? Guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we can factor out 2c1 here, no? And then together with the x if you want, no? X minus what? 2x? 2x minus 1. Am I right? So that is 4y minus y prime. So this is equation number 3, 4 for now. No? What about from 2 and 3? From 2 and 3, guys. What is to be multiplied to equation 2? 4 also, right? No? So getting, what will I get, guys? Y prime times 4 minus, equals 8 C1x plus 16 times 4, no? C sub 2 e to the 4x. Would you please check my multiplication, guys? Then copy. Correct, guys? Guys. Get now the difference. 4y prime minus y double prime. What about this? So we get what, guys? 8c1x minus 2c1. And this is 0. Okay? Boys. So we now get 2c1 and then this one, guys. 4x minus 1. Correct, guys? Boys. Children. Okay? So this is 4y prime minus y double prime. This is equation number what? 5. Okay? To eliminate C1, again, get the ratio so that we can easily eliminate. Okay? Oh, let me copy that. This part. So these are the two equations that we're going to consider, 4 and 5. Oh, getting the ratio, children. Guys, oh, that's the ratio. 5 divided by 4. Pwede rin namang 4 divided by 5. No? 4y prime minus y double prime over all over 4y minus y prime. If I take the ratio, 2c1, 4x minus 1, all over 2c1, x, 2x minus 1. Am I correct, children? Okay, guys.
Yes,
What is now the answer? Let's multiply, no? So here, multiply. Ito. So we get 4y times this. So 4x minus 1 times y, no? Minus, what about here? We get 4x minus 1 y prime. Am I correct? What about the right side? Guys, 4x 2x minus 1 y prime. Please follow what I am writing, ha? And then x 2x minus 1 y double prime. Am I correct, guys? Were I able to multiply everything correctly? Children of the Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then collect everything on the left side. Normally, we want everything on the left side. So, may common ba, children? May common? Wala. Wala, no? No common. X, 2x minus 1, y double prime. Ito lahat may y prime to. May y prime, tsaka ito. So, minus 4x minus 1. Pag nilipat ko to, minus negative. Pero, nasa labas yung negative. So, plus what? 8x minus 4x. So, squared to, no? Then, y prime. Okay, guys? Boys. And then plus 4, this one. 4x minus 1 equals 0. Kindly check my algebra, guys. I think you are already taking your breakfast. Guys, am I correct so far? Or you are confused with the algebra? Remember, this is negative 4x, 2x minus 1 when moved on the left side, no? Or if you apply subtraction property of equality, you subtract on each side this quantity, no? Dito mapupunta na sa kaliwa. Di ba minus? Yung minus na yan, ito yon. Anong matitira? D4x times this. Positive 8x squared yon, no? Tsaka this one, negative 4x. Correct, guys? Boys. 8x squared, 0, and then minus 1. Y prime plus 4x minus 1. That's it. Okay? So this is the answer. This is the DE, meaning we have eliminated the arbitrary constants. So that is, we have determined the differential equation. Okay? Children?
Yes.
Okay. Can you follow, guys? Guys, can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Baka naman ikaw lang.
Yes po.
What's your name, Iho?
Ano yan, sir? Hard listener kasi yung mga klase ko.
Sorry. They are what? They are
Hard listener.
They are perhaps still remembering or recalling what? The differentiation and the algebra. I'm hearing a kid. Is that your brother? Guys? This one. Okay. What about if I have C1 plus C sub 2 x plus C sub 3 e to the negative 5x. This time, how many arbitrary constants?
Tatlo po, sir.
3. So how many times are we going to differentiate?
Tatlo din po.
3 also. Copy first. I think you are good, no? Because at least you can follow, no? Perhaps you had a good background in your differential calculus and integral calculus. Now, so it means your props in differential calculus and integral calculus are really good, no? Because you are replying, no? You can follow. Okay? What's the first derivative? C sub 2. Because this is 0. Derivative of C sub 2x is C sub 2. This is negative 5. C sub 3 e to the negative 5x. Correct, children? Yeah. Okay, children?
Yes po, sir. Yes,
Okay, what about the second derivative? We have 0, positive 25, C sub 3 e to the negative 5x. Negative, positive, this is 0. We still need one more, no? Because we have to differentiate 3 times because there are 3 arbitrary constants. Negative 75 e to the negative 5x, right? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think it's easier to eliminate, no? This time. We just substitute this here. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. So we substitute this where? To just what? To just 3, no? So substitute what? This, pwede rin yung 25C, yung 25 C sub 3 to what? Of 3 to 4 to 25 C sub 3 of 4. Does equation 4 have 25 C sub 3, guys? Meron ba yon? Parang hindi ko nasulat. C sub 3. e to the negative 5x. Oh, any question?
Sir, di ba po ba sa y third prime po is negative 125 since 25
Awan
times?
125 ba? Oh, tama. Mali ang aking product. Sorry. Thank you. What is that? 125. Okay, now guys, does this have 120? Does this have 25C3? Meron, no? Okay? Y triple prime. What is 125 divided by negative negative 125 divided by 25? Negative 3, no? Children? Ay, is that negative 3, children?
Negative 5 po.
O 5?
Negative
Negative
5.
5, sir.
Negative 5. So, and what is the remaining? 25C3, right? No? Actually, you can include e to the, no? E to the here. Okay, you can include e to the, what you call this? The entire, together with the e. I can include together with the e to substitute. E to the negative 5x of what? Of 3 to 4 to 25c sub 3 e to the negative 5x of what? Of 4, no? Yan. O, let's substitute negative 5. Diba? 3c3 e to the negative, ay 5c3, sorry. 25c3 e to the negative 5x na to. Na? O, rewrite ko muna. 25 e to c3 e to the negative 5x. But what is this, guys? Guys, wait ha, nawala. I don't know what happened. What happened? Parang lumaki siya.
Kaya nga, so medyo nag-zoom po.
Oh, what will I do? Paano ko papaliitin? Parang biglang lumaki siya. Wait a minute. Wait ha, I will log out. Stop sharing. Wait a minute ha. Okay. Save ko muna. Baka mag-disappear. Save as. Save ko muna ha. Kasi baka mawala. APC. Daiquat. Class lecture. We have Daiquat. What's this? Elimination. Elimination. Arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. Because I might lose this. It's hard to write. Okay, so I will be again opening that file. Where are you? So, okay. So here in APC, Daiquat, class lectures. Where is that? Okay. Sorry. Okay, yan. Okay. Okay, now. So I'll be sharing again. Do you see now the board, guys? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Remember, this is from equation 4, right? I got this from equation 4, right? Negative 125c3 e to the negative 5x means negative 5 times 25c3 e to the negative 5x. But what is this, guys? What is this? Children, this part from 3. What is that? Guys.
Kaya niyo yung equation 3, sir. So, dapat maging y double prime na lang siya. Substitute.
Oh, from equation 3, magiging y what?
Y double prime na lang.
Y double prime. So, no more arbitrary constants. Okay? Or you can have the alternative form. Normally, we want higher derivative, then followed by lower derivative, equal to 0. Well, that's it. Okay? That's the DE. Okay, guys? So, different forms of general solution, you have different techniques also, no? Okay? On number 8. On number 8. What if I have this, guys? Y is equal to, let's say, A sine of X plus B. What about this, guys? How many arbitrary do we have, children, for this case? Guys?
Dalawa po ba, sir?
So how many arbitrary, 2, no? Or how many times are we going to differentiate?
2 times din po.
2 times. So first derivative, A. What's the derivative of sine? Cosine. And we just copy the argument of sine, no? Yan. O, second derivative, we have A, negative, no? A, sine. Am I correct, children? Guys? For the second derivative, am I correct? Guys, why did I get negative? Because derivative of cosine is what? Negative, right?
Negative sine.
How many arbitrary constants do we have in the last derivative or in the last equation that we got? It's still 2. So it means these arbitrary constants are like leeches, no? You know leeches, guys? They are similar to some of the government officials, no? Like leeches, no? To the position, okay? Yeah. So we have to consider these 3 equations as simultaneous equations, no? System. Oh, where am I going to eliminate first the arbitrary? What do you want to eliminate first? Actually, you have no choice but to eliminate first A. How can we eliminate A, children? What equations are we going to consider?
Yung 1 and 3 po.
1 and 3. Why 1 and 3? Better 1 and 3. Kasi they have the same functions, right? No? What are we going to do with 1 and 3? Get the ratio. Am I correct? Children? Okay? So, equation 3, divide by what? Equation 1. So, y double prime over what? Y over y, no? Equals negative A sine of X plus B over what, children?
A sine X plus B.
Okay, no? Yan. So, we can now cancel this, no? What is that equal to, children? Negative?
Negative 1.
What is now the final answer? Y double prime equals Y, no? Or plus Y. Is that correct, children? Minus equals negative Y, no? When moved to the left, we have Y double prime plus Y equal to 0. Okay, children? Guys?
Okay po, sir.
Okay, so we have Y equals, let's say, tangent of, let's say, x minus c. Oh, how many arbitrary constants do we have? Children?
1 lang po, sir.
1. So how many times are we going to differentiate?
1 time only, sir.
Oh, what is the first derivative?
Second squared.
Secant squared of x minus c. Okay? Then after that, what comes next? Oh, this is equation 1 because we are allowed to differentiate once only, right? Oh, how to eliminate x minus c or c? Guys, anyone?
Yung ratio.
Sorry,
Yung ratio, sir, yung ginawa niya po sa
ratio. So if we're going to get the ratio, let's try, no? So we have get the ratio of 2 and 1, no? If you do that, we have what? Y prime over y is equal to secant squared of x minus c all over tangent. Oh, is there c still in the differential equation? Guys? Guys?
Sir.
Meron pa bang arbitrary? Meron pa, di ba? We can cancel.
Yes.
Oh, so it means there is no progress, no? I think it's not the best approach for this type of problem. Okay? What are we going to do? Any suggestion? Guys? Let us have from equation 1. From equation 1, children, how do we define tangent, guys? In your trigonometry? It is a quotient, no? Y over 1. Am I correct, children?
Yes.
That is opposite over what? Over adjacent?
Adjacent po.
So if you draw a triangle, let's draw a beautiful triangle. As beautiful as Bea Alonso, no yan. Who is now in channel 7. Because if Duterte will win in the coming election, the Duterte party, they will party the Duterte, no? Yan. And channel 2 will be still lonely, no? This is x minus c. Yan. Okay? So, where is the opposite? Here. Where is the adjacent? Here. Am I correct, children? Yan. Okay? How do we compute this hypotenuse? Y squared plus 1. Am I right? Guys?
Yes po.
Then, after that, you can now define secant squared. What is secant squared? What is secant, by the way? Guys, what is secant function from this triangle? Children. Adjacent over? Guys? Or hypotenuse? Hypotenuse over?
Opposite po.
Adjacent.
Adjacent. Sorry, sir.
Or simply square root of y squared plus 1. So we know already secant. From equation number 2, we can now define secant squared. What is secant squared? Am I right? Then square it. Am I correct, children? Guys? Y prime is equal to what? Y squared plus 1. Okay? That's it. That's the DE. Or if you want, you can express this in differential form. dy equals y squared plus 1 quantity dx. Okay, guys? That's it. Okay now, children? Children. Okay, so let's have number 10 if you don't have questions. Y is equal to C sub 1 sine 2x plus C sub 2 cosine 2x. How many arbitrary constants do we have, children? Guys? 3. What's the first derivative? What's the first derivative? Guys.
C1 cosine.
Sin 1, C1 sin 2x.
Cosine.
Cosine pala.
Cosine 2x times 2 C1, right? What about in the second term? Negative sine 2x, am I right? Times 2, no? C2, okay? What about in the third term? 4 C sub 3 e to the 4x. Correct, children? Guys, what about y double prime? Negative 4 C sub 1 sine 2x. Check my derivatives, ha? Minus 4 C sub 2 cosine 2x plus 16 C sub 3 e to the 4x. Okay? What about y triple prime? Positive 8 or negative? Negative 8 C sub 2 1 cosine 2x. This time is positive, no? 8 C2 sine 2x. Positive now, no? Because the derivative is negative. Plus 4 na 16. Is that 64, children? Gutom na sila. No more answers. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Okay, guys? What about the first arbitrary to eliminate? Alin ang gusto niyong tanggalin? Guys, na madaling matanggal?
Yung C3, sir.
C3. Saan natin tatanggalin ang C3?
Multiply by 8, sir.
Okay, saan?
Sa 1 and 2, sir.
1 and 2. Pag 1 and 2, kasi hindi natin mako-combine nicely yung sine at cosine eh. Mas maganda 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
1 and 3. 1 and 3. What is our multiplier? To equation, anong equation ang i-multiply natin? 1? Kasi you want to eliminate C sub 3.
16.
Yes, sir. So, negative
16, no? Times 16. Pag multiply ito ng 16 and then get the difference, no? Parang mas maganda, equation 3 minus 16 times equation 1, no? Am I correct, children? Para mas una yung higher power, higher derivative. Okay, guys? 3, equation 3. Ito, y triple prime, ay y double prime. Y double prime minus 16 ito. Am I right, children? Di ba, multiply ko? And then get the difference? No? O, equation 3.
Yes.
Negative 4 to. Ito, ilan children? Positive 4. Magiging ilan? Ayaw sumagot. Is it negative 8? Kasi may 4 to, di ba? Guys? Oh, guys. Ay, 16 pala.
16 po, sir. Dapat maging ano
Mali.
lang.
O, ilan lahat?
12 po siya. 12.
Ito,
12 C1.
16. Magiging ilan? 20?
12.
Hindi ba 20?
20 pala. Naka-minus pala, sir. Sorry.
Oo. Kasi mauna tayo sa 3. Pag ganun eh. Paakyat. Negative 4 minus 16. Ano? Okay. What about this? Negative 4 minus 16 again. Okay, guys? Yan. Okay. This is equation number. This is 16 minus 16, 0, no? Equation number 5. Am I correct, guys? 16 minus 16, 0. What about equations? Ano pang equation? Still eliminate C sub 3. Another, because we need to form, because this is system of 3, we have to come up with a system of 2. Oh, this time,
2 and
2 and 4, no? Am I right? 2 and 4. 4 muna tayo mag-start. 4. And then, minus what? Anong multiplier sa 2, guys?
16 rin po.
16 times equation 2. Okay? So, y triple prime minus 16, right? 16 dito, no? Y prime. Ito, negative 8 minus 32. Am I correct? What is that? Negative 40? Ayaw sumagot. Guys. Guys.
Wait lang, sir. 6.
Negative 16, no? Ay 40, tama ba? Children?
Negative 40, tas cos, ano saan? Cos, sin na sir.
Sorry?
Plus 30
Negative
po,
40.
Negative 40 din. Yan, negative 40.
Sir, hindi po ba positive yung nasa 4 po, then magiging negative po yung sa 2? So, hindi po siya mag-a-add as negative. So, ang
8,
answer po is negative 24 C1 cosine 2x po.
ito. Negative 8. Ito, di ba yung 4? Minus 60, minus 32. Negative 40. Ito, 8, magiging minus negative positive 32. So, positive 40. Tama? Okay, guys?
Yes po.
Yan. This is equation number 6. What do you notice? Meron pa rin arbitrary, di ba? Dadalwa na lang. Okay? But actually, the approach is not better. You know, it's better to eliminate C1 and C2 immediately. Because if you work on equation 1 and 2, 1 and 3, for instance, and you eliminate C sub 1, it will so happen that C sub 2 will be eliminated also. Okay? I allowed you to do this for you to see that this approach will work, but it will be harder. Okay, guys? Guys? So again, what is this approach, guys? Harder. Am I right, guys? Why? Because sine and cosine contain C1, C1 also, but they are different functions. But if you work on equation 1 and equation, let's say equation 2, 1, equation 3 and 4, 1, but you multiply equation 1 by what? By 2. And then you add, what will happen? Guys, y prime equals 2 c sub 1. Sorry. Dapat 4 na ang multiplier. 4. Okay? And then, kasi what? 3 and 1 eh. And then we add. So what is 3? Copy natin yung 3. Y double prime equals negative 4 c sub 1 sine 2x. Check my values kasi alam nyo namang this is not actual blackboard. It's not easy to look at the board. Plus 16 e to the 4x, no? Okay? Guys? Okay, guys. What about
Yes po, sir.
yung number 2? Ay, number 1, equation 1 multiplied by 4.
Magiging ano, sir? 4c1 sine 2x.
Diba it's better? Kasi when you add, dalawa agad ang eliminated. Plus what? 4 c sub, wala yung c. Check what I am writing kasi the board is not clear to me. Because very small. Okay now guys, after multiplying by 4, guys, get the difference. I sum. Y double prime. What else? Plus 4y, right? Equals 0. 0. What do we get now? 20 c sub 3 e to the 4x. Am I correct, children? Guys, so ito yung ating magiging equation. What? 5, no? Ito nga yung ating 5. So ito revise, no? Lagyan natin ng revise. Revise. This part. Okay? Yan, this part. Yan. It's not wrong, but it will be difficult for you to do, no? While this one, easier. And what comes next? 4 and 2, no? What is our multiplier to equation 2? Guys, para mawala yung C1, C2. 4, no?
4.
4. Notice that opposite in sign. Pag inad din yan, pero numerically equal, correspondingly, mawawala din yan. No? So, y triple prime, I will just copy. Start to write. So, see, we have a high-tech blackboard. No? We can copy. O yan, this is 4. Okay, what about 2? Yung 2, 4y prime, no? Plus 8 c sub 1 cosine 2x minus 8 c sub 2 kasi times 4 sine 2x, and then here plus what, guys?
Plus 16 po.
C sub 3 e to the 4x. Okay? Get the sum. What's the sum? Y triple prime plus 4y prime equals 0, 0. That is 80. Is it 80?
Yes, sir. 80 po.
Yan. At least just one arbitrary. We can work on 5 and 6. Easier than working here, 5 and 6 here. Can we now eliminate? Di ba itong 20, meron yan dito, guys, as a factor?
Yes, sir.
This is equal to what, guys? Itong 6. 4 times 20, no? C sub 3 e to the 4x. Am I correct? And what's the value? Am I right, guys?
Yes po.
Yan. Are there still arbitrary? Because from here, 20C3e to the 4x. If I factor out 4 here, this is also 20 what? Guys, dear ha? If I factor out 4, it will be para everybody can see. E to the 4x. And that's why I plug it this here. Yan. Okay, guys? 4 times this. So, okay? Okay now, children? Oh, let's collect y triple prime minus 4y double prime plus 4y minus 16y. Am I right, children? Equal to 0. Could you please check, children of the Philippines? Guys? Okay, very good. Okay now. Oh, did you understand?
Kulang na ano pala sir? Kulang po na isang
prime. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay now? Okay. Oh, let's have number 11. We have y is equal to, let's say c sub 1 e to the 2x sine 4x plus c sub 2 e to the 2x cosine 4x. Oh, how many arbitrary, children?
Dalawa po, sir.
2. Oh, how many times are we going to differentiate?
2 times din po.
2 times. What do you think will happen if you differentiate directly this first term and this second term? It will produce what? Many terms, right? Because it is product. Am I right? Children?
Yes po, sir.
So there is a technique actually. Notice that e to the 2x is common, right? If I'm going to multiply each side by what? By e to the negative 2x, I will get a differentiation simpler compared to differentiating it directly. Did you get that, guys? At least we have just one product on the left, just one product. And notice that if you directly differentiate this, C1 is like a leech together with C2 to its factor. To each term. After what? After to a factor to each term, no? After differentiation. Am I right, guys? So at least you will have product, but only to y. Okay, guys? Product here. Just one product. So we get what, guys? Y e to the negative 2x is equal to what? C sub 1 sine 4x plus C sub 2 cosine 4x. Okay, guys? Oh, then we now differentiate. Oh, differentiate for the first time. Oh, what is the first derivative, children? This is product, the first. Derivative of the second. Plus the second. Derivative of the first. What is the derivative of y? Y prime. Equals, or the right side, of 4 c sub 1 cosine 4x. What about the second term? Negative 4 c sub 2. Am I right, children? Or simplify. This is negative what, guys? Negative, guys?
Negative 2ye raised to.
So it is y prime e to the negative 2x e to the negative 2x. That is common. This is y prime minus 2y, no? Am I right? Pag pinactor out yung e to the negative 2x, I am simplifying, ha? Yan. And we call this what? Our equation number 1. Ito rin yan, kaya lang sinimplify ko lang. Sorry, equation number 2. This is our equation 1. derived from the original. No? Next, differentiate. I will put this arrow to mean I differentiate. The first, what's the derivative of the second? Y double prime minus 2y prime plus the second. What's the derivative of the first? Negative 2 e to the negative 2x. Again, product the first, derivative of the second plus the second, derivative of the first. This is what I got. What about the right side? Negative 16 c sub 1 sine 4x. Second term, negative 16 c sub 2 cosine 4x. Okay, guys? Here, simplify, factoring out e to the negative 2x again. We have y double prime here. Negative 2y prime plus y prime is negative times negative 2, negative 4y prime, no? Negative 2y prime, negative 2y prime. I factor out negative e to the negative 2x, e to the negative 2x. So again, negative 2y prime, negative 2y prime, negative 4y prime. And then positive 4y. Then e to the negative 2x is factored out. And then we just copy the right side. Children. Okay? Am I correct, children of the Philippines? Guys?
Sir.
Yes. Any comment? Violent or not?
Sir, sa
Yes?
pag-factor, sir. Pero clear po.
Okay na? Pinactor out e to the negative 2x, y double prime, negative 2y prime. Di ba meron ding tong negative 2y prime? Ito. Am I correct? Pag inad, negative 4y prime. Tapos, meron pa tayong positive 4y, correct? Yung e to the negative 2x, I factored it out kasi common. Okay now, guys? This is equation number 3. Are we done? Are we done with differentiation, guys? Or we still have to differentiate? Do we need to stop now?
No, meron po, sir.
Sorry? Do we have to stop differentiating?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes,
Sir,
no?
sir.
So we now solve simultaneously 2 and 3, no? Or 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. We have to solve this equation simultaneously. What are we going to consider? Alin mas madali? Yung same coefficient, same functions. Now at
3 and 1.
1 and 3, no? Am I right?
Yes.
If you are going to multiply equation 1 by what? Anong multiply natin sa equation 1? Copyhin muna natin yung equation 3. Guys? Copy equation 3. And then multiply natin the equation 1 by what? What is our multiplier to equation 1?
16 po. Para po makancel.
You have
4
to
po yung
learn this, because these are the things that you're going to do in quiz. Kasi in quiz, wala pang multiple choice. Puro solving. Meron ding part ko na about theory, multiple choice, pero part 2 solving. Okay, what about equation 1? What is our multiplier?
4 po.
Is it 4 or 16?
16 po.
16, na? Okay, so 16 y e to the negative 2x, and then equals 16. Let us put it closer. 16y e to the negative 2x equals 16c1 sine 4x, and then plus 16c2 yan, cosine 4x. What is now when we add? Add, no? Add. What's the answer, guys? E to the negative 2x, y double prime minus 4y prime plus 4y plus 16y e to the negative 2x is equal to what? Oh, anong right side?
0.
0. May arbitrary pa ba? Are there still arbitrary constants?
Wala na.
No more. So we're done. All we have to do is to simplify. Notice that e to the negative 2x is common, right? I am going to multiply by what? E to the 2x. Correct, guys? Or you divide by e to the negative 2x if you want. Anong gusto nyo? Divide na lang? Guys? Ayaw nilang sumagot. Divide na lang, they are confused. Divide by e to the negative 2x. Oh, what happens here? Oh. Correct, guys? What about here? Okay? Oh, combine further these similar terms. Oh, what's now the final answer? Yan, that's the DE. Aha, aha. Oh, that's the DE. Okay? Oh, is it easy, guys? Or the solution is long? Oh, you cannot do something about it. That's the way it is. Okay? Children? Actually, what we applied, methods in elimination that we applied, methods, no? Methods of eliminating arbitrary constants. Methods of eliminating arbitrary constants. We applied 2 methods already. Do you think do you know what we applied, guys? Algebraic elimination. Ano yung una natin in-apply, children? Algebraic elimination by either addition and or subtraction, no? Addition, subtraction. Kumisang combination. Algebraic elimination, guys, by either addition or subtraction. And then we have what? And of course, together with substitution sometimes, no? The other one by isolation of constant. Sometimes, combination of the two. Nag-isolate na tayo before mag-differentiate, no? Yan, isolation of constants. Yan. Actually, meron pang isa. There is a third one. The third one, we have what we call eliminant method. Making use of determinants. Eliminant method. Okay, guys? Children?
Yes, sir.
We used the first two already. Yeah. We applied this already. So ito hindi pa natin na-apply. Okay?